Do you watch YouTube videos on a daily basis? If yes, this strategy is for you. In this video, I demonstrate how to earn PayPal money by simply viewing YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can literally earn money by watching YouTube videos. And the insane thing is, you can earn up to $225 in an hour. All you need for this strategy is a laptop or computer and internet connection. This can even be done also with just your phone. The method's earning potential in this strategy is huge. You can make $20 for a single video playlist, $200 for 10 video playlists, and $400 for 20 video playlists. The best part about this strategy is that it's completely free, so you won't have to spend any money to get started. This approach is available all around the world, so regardless of where you are in the world, you can do this and earn money over and over again. I don't want you to skip this video. Please stay with me until the end to avoid missing any important information. In this video, I'll show you another strategy that can allow you to double or even triple your money. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Let's search for a plank tutorial on YouTube right now. As you can see, there are many results. You can also notice that these videos right here have thousands of views at least and millions at most. Now, we will be using these videos to make money online. This time, all you need to do is go to Google and search for AddFoc.us. You can see a lot of results right here, but I will be grateful if you could select the first one. This is the website's homepage. As you can see here, shrink, share, and earn. AddFocus is a free short URL redirection service with a twist. Get paid for links you share on the internet. You can place links on your website, forums, and more. You can earn a lot of money by shrinking some URLs and sharing them on the internet. Just go to YouTube and choose a video. In my case, I will pick this one right here. Scroll a little bit and click share right over here and copy this link. After you've copied this link, return to AddFoc.us and paste it here and click on shrink. This website converts a long URL into a shorter version, and if someone clicks on that link, it will redirect her to the YouTube video, and in that particular process, you are earning a lot of money. If someone from the United States clicks on your link, you will earn over $26, and if you're from Canada, you will earn over $13, and so on. This is a fantastic opportunity to make money online simply by sharing a simple link. At this moment, I will teach you how to sign up on this website. All you need to do is click on sign up right here, and this window will automatically pop up and say join AddFoc.us. All you need to do is enter your email right here, confirm it here, your password, and of course, confirm it here. Check this CAPTCHA. Lastly, leave this box checked to agree to AddFoc.us terms and conditions and privacy policy, and click on Join Now. This message will appear once you log into your account. It says that you have incomplete account information. Please update your account settings in order to be paid. It's essential to keep your account up to date in order to have your income when you have done your work. To do that, just simply click on account settings right here. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. After clicking on account settings, you will be landing on this page right here. On this page, you will be entering your name, address, city, state, zip code, country, phone number. Choose your payment method, either PayPal or Bitcoin. If you choose PayPal, just enter your PayPal email here. On the other hand, if you choose Bitcoin, just enter your Bitcoin wallet right here. To make this account setting effective, all you need to do is click on Update Settings right here. After doing that, scroll down and as you can see, automatic withdrawal. Enabling this option will automatically request payment each month. Yes, you're right, you can enable this option to request payment each month automatically. All you need to do is click Enable right here. To update this setting, just click on this. To know the payout rates, just go back to the home page and maneuver your mouse to the upper portion of the platform and click on Payout Rates. As you can see, if people from the United States click on your link, you will earn over $26. And if you're from Canada, you will earn over $13. If the click comes from Sweden, you will be earning $12. That's literally insane. We are talking income per click. If 10 people click your link from the United States, you will earn $260. It's a very decent amount of money. Go to YouTube, get some link and paste it on here and click shrink. I want you to repeat this process 5 times for you to have 5 shortened URL. The next step that you will be doing is go to forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a well-known website since many people visit it to learn how to reduce weight and live a healthy lifestyle. You'll find a lot of topics about exercises and how to keep healthy if you scroll down. As you can notice, there are a lot of people who post on this platform. You can also see how many people viewed their post. For example, this post right here has over 1 million views and hundreds of replies. If you arrive on this page, the first thing you will do is click on right here and select the United States. Because, as you remember, a while ago in the payout rates, if someone clicks from the United States, you will earn over $26. After doing that, you will be selecting forums right here. And in my case, I will be choosing this one. By doing so, you will see that many people leave links. That is exactly what you will be doing. This is an excellent way to increase traffic and get many people from all around the world to click on your site. I want to share a planking post template so you can have an idea of what to publish on these forums. You can copy it on Google, or you can also copy this one right here. First, I spread awareness about planking, so you can also look it up on Google. And if you go down below, you'll notice that I've included links to planking tutorial videos. I suggest you attach 5 or more YouTube video links so that when people click on your link, you can earn double or even triple. After going through this method, you will copy this text right here and paste it on the forum so that people can see and click on your link and you will earn a lot of money. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.